Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and welcome to Nasib IT. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how can we design these flowers easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So guys, first of all we have to set our face. To do it we have to click on the file, then we have to click on the new. Then we have to select art and illustration, then we have to select insert from here, then click on this box, then type here 7, then click on this box, then type here 4. Then select landscape from here, then you have to click on advanced, then select 300 ppi, then you have to click on create. So after creating the page you have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the star tool, then you have to click on here, you have to click on this artboard, then you have to click on this box, then type here 30, then click on OK. Then you have to select this shape, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in the middle. Then you have to select this again, then click on stroke, then disable the stroke. So if you don't find this panel, so you have to click on Windows, then you have to click on workspace, then you have to select layout. So then you have to click on fill, then you have to select any gradient color from here. So after that you have to go into this gradient panel. So if you also don't find it, so you have to click on Windows again, then you have to select gradient. So after that you have to select this, then drag this in here. We need 3 points to design this. So after that we have to select the radial gradient, then you have to select this, then double click on here, then you have to select this color. Also you can select any deep color. So I am selecting the deep red, then you have to select this, then double click on here, then you have to select your flower main color. So I am selecting the pink color, then you have to select this, then double click on here, then you have to select the white color from this panel. So after that you have to select this, then drag this in here, then you have to select this, then drag this in here. After that you have to select this shape again, then you have to click on edit, then you have to click on copy, then click on edit again, then you have to click on paste in font, then you have to press and hold the shift key and the alt key, then you have to decrease the size of this shape. So then you have to select the shapes, then you have to click on object, then you have to click on blend, then you have to select make, then you have to select this again, then you have to click on object again, then again click on blend, then you have to select blend option, then you have to select a specified steps, then you have to click on this box, then type here 50, then you have to click on OK. So after that you have to select this again, then click on effect, then you have to select this, then you have to select tweak. So after click on tweak you can see the magic. So in this box you have to type here 10, then you have to click on this box, then type here 10 again, then you have to click on OK. So now here you can see our design has been completed. So if you want to change the color of this flower, so you have to double click on here, then you have to select this panel, then you have to select any color. For example, I am selecting the red color. So after selecting the red color, you can see the red color has been applied on my flower. So now I am selecting the pink color. So now here you can see my flower color has been changed. So now I am selecting the blue color. So now here you can see the flower color has been changed again. So if you want to change the center color, so you have to double click on here. You have to select this point, then you have to select any color from here. So I am selecting the pink color. So after selecting the pink color, you can see the pink color has been applied on my flower. So in this way you can design this flower easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.